Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Fitria Dwi Kumalasari from Class A Agribusiness with number 2003-211-000-6H. In here, I will provide a little information about agrotourism in Kediri, namely Pagung Agrotourism. For more details, see the following explanation and then don't forget to like, comment, and share so that more people know. Pagung Agrotourism in Kediri is a family tour that recently opened. It includes a mini zoo, open area, hydroponic, swimming pool, camping ground, and also a restaurant and cafe. Its a location in a hilly area, present a stunning view of the city of Kediri. Located in the area of Pagung Kediri, East Java. For the opening hours of Pagung Agrotourism Kediri, it starts to open at 11 p.m. and goes at 8 p.m. every day. There is something unique about this one tourism spot, where the entry ticket for Pagung Kediri Agrotourism is valid if visitor buy the food there. So, the manager provides rules for tourism who want to enter. They must buy a minimum of 10,000 rupiah for food or drink. After that, the process receipt will be checked by the officer, and then you can take photos. Now, with a unique way that is effort by the manager, of course, it will be mutually beneficial. This place recently launched in September 2020. Even though the restaurant has just opened, it has received a warm welcome from the residents of Kediri, especially Pagung and the surrounding. It's a proven by with a number of visitors who come to the place. Moreover, lately this place has often become a hot topic of discussion on social media, especially Instagram. It is proven by many people who upload photos and videos. Of course, it's not without reason why this place quickly became popular. Besides serving an Instagram-genic cafe, of course, there are still some other attractions. Here are some of the attractions that this tourism destination has. When easy access, this place is not too far from the center of Kediri. Two lot of photo spot. At Paris and Restaurant Cafe, there are various spots that can be used for selfies, such a beanbag, a unique big tree, a balcony with natural view of the city of Kediri, and many more. And 3. A variety of delicious culinary available. In this place, there are various menu options that you can order and with friendly print. Moreover, the taste does not disappoint. This store is still new and emerged when the COVID-19 pandemic was hitting Indonesia and even the world. So, it's a problem that must be fixed. With a situation like this, there are not many tourists. For this reason, several steps can be taken, such as carrying out the strong promotion in various media, such as disseminating for promotion to mass media. You can promote into national TV so that information is more widely disseminated and can also add promotion on radio. By cooperating with various parties such as the government, it also helps that they can help overcome this problem. Okay, that's all I can say. More or less, I apologize. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and share. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Bye bye.